Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, taking a look at your forecast for Sunday. And the temperatures will be a little bit cooler because we'll have a cold front come in and keep things a little bit on the cool side here. Great news for everybody running out there in the Colfax Marathon events, because in general, our temperatures in the morning should be under 60 with some clouds in the area. So great forecast. We'll stay cool here in the northeast part of the state. Still pretty warm down here in the southeast, and we'll have another batch of storms come through. And despite the cooler temperatures, we'll still have a threat for severe weather. Most of that is going to be out here in Nebraska, but that's going to nose into about the same spot as it did on Saturday here in the northeast corner. We could see some large hail and some damaging winds out of this. You see the level 1 threat extending all the way to the western state line, and that does include Denver. There's just enough of the ingredients there where we could see severe weather, although that would be very isolated and very low probability, but at least we know the chances are there. Taking a look at futurecasts, here we are early afternoon. We're going to see a line of storms, perhaps rain, perhaps thunderstorms, or both coming through the front range here. That's going to cover a good area, so good chance for a lot of us to get some rain, although I'm thinking lower chance to get large hail, maybe some small hail involved in those storms. But once they get out here onto the northeast plains, that's where they'll have a better chance to get the severe levels, where we get the larger hail and the damaging winds possibly. Some isolated showers remain possible throughout the afternoon hours up in the mountains, especially in the northern mountains. Let me take you into Monday, because we'll have this cloud layer move in here, a low cloud deck with some light rain possible at times on Monday morning, including some light rain up here on the northern front range. But look at the coverage starting to increase in intensity out here on the western slope, and watch this system just kind of swirl through here. And by the afternoon hours on Monday, we should get a pretty good bulk of rain across the front range. We could see heavy rain and heavy snow at times. This snow could be heavy enough on Monday where we could see some brief accumulation here, not in the city or much of the front range, but to the south and some of the higher parts of the Palmer Divide into the foothills. We could see some brief accumulation. Not really a big impact there, but it will be interesting to see some snow showers here this late into May. Here we are 9 o'clock on Monday, and we're pretty much done with the precipitation event, except for some isolated snow showers in the mountains. As far as that snow forecast goes, we're not going to get it to stick to the ground here on the front range, but maybe some parts of the Palmer Divide and into the foothills. Maybe a big bullseye up here in Rocky Mountain National Park. A foot of snow will be possible, although only a trace to 2 inches in Estes. 3 to 6 inches up at the tunnels. Not much of this moisture going to reach down into Summit County for this event. Now, this is all compliments of this big area of low pressure moving into the area. This will increase the chances for rain showers for really the next 4 days, and drop the temperatures down for the next 4 days as well, including some freezing temperatures coming our way on Tuesday morning. 4 spots. Likely not in the city or much of the front range, but some parts near the front range probably dropping to freezing or below for a couple of hours on Tuesday morning. And as you see, this trough kind of stays in this area through the day on Wednesday. So that'll keep our temperatures cool and our rain chances fairly high all the way through Thursday afternoon. No 80-degree temperatures in the forecast all the way into next weekend. The temperature, 31 degrees. That's our forecast for Denver International Airport on Tuesday morning. I think here in the city, where 9 News is here in downtown, we'll probably just avoid the freezing mark, but you're going to want to cover your sensitive flowers and your sensitive veggies here on Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, and then the temperatures will gradually go up as we head into next weekend. That's a look at your forecast. I hope you all have a real nice Sunday.